All right, WMC, this is the video to find our winner of the Hank Aaron photo number 2. So we'll check the time November 24th at 8:20 a.m. Going to go over to the Raz and type live. We have today at 8:20 a.m. There is the list of our 21 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There is 7. All right, 7 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Peyton. Spot 15 is your winner. So Peyton, please message me to pick your Hank. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, November 24th, 8:20 a.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.